and today I'm pretty much going to be reviewing a box from one of my beloved, great, good friends. Her name is Alexis Lockhart, and she is the owner and founder of the Lockhart district. So I'm just going to show you guys what the box looks like. Fly! Yeah, it looks good, right? District box. So everyone, as you know, everyone is doing these boxes, and I personally love these boxes just for the simple fact that who doesn't like getting a bunch of goodies in one? You know what I mean? Like, that's just amazing to me. So I'm just literally going right into it. Here she does different months. So this right here is the April 2020 box. Be a Light is the theme, and you also have guided cards in this box. And so then she has these sayings here because the guided cards are scheduled out through however long the month is, right? So for here, her first part is what is light, and she have days 1 through 7, and the second part says what does light do. Then she have days 8 through 16, and so forth and so forth, and it's just so amazing. Let me show you guys too the goodies that you get inside, obviously. So first, which I have not used yet, is the bath bomb that you get, right? I don't know if you guys can see that. The glare. Okay, anyway, child, the bath bomb that you get, which smells amazing. I've always been a bath bomb person, me and my mama. I love smelling good in the bath and having a little fizzy flow, and it's white, so you don't have to worry about your color changing or worried about the ink running, because some bath bombs do that. They leave like a residue at the bottom. You don't have to worry about that. And then, which is super cute, you get this shirt, and it's wrapped in this band, and this band reads "Be a Light," right? And then you have your Bible verse, Matthew 5:14 on it. And I'm such like a sucker for numbers, Bible verses, like that's me all day, right? So this is the beautiful shirt that you get here, and it says "Be a Light," and it has the verse on it as well, and it's outlined in the gold. Oh my god, I'm lost for words, because when I first seen this box, I was just looking at her like, what? This is amazing. And so the Lockhart district, and her signature on there, her logo I should say. So that's three things so far that you get in the box, right? And then homegirl makes a homemade sugar scrub, and it's more than enough. This is like the perfect amount, you know what I mean? But it's homemade. You can smell the almonds in it. Then the color is beautiful. It's just like the real deal. It's so good. Really, it makes you want to eat it. All right. And then I'm gonna save the best for last, but this isn't the last one. Don't worry. I'm sorry, I gotta smell it again. I don't know why you do that, but. Okay, so we have the candles that have light on it, which, isn't that cool? It's a candle light. Anyway, but this smells really good. I don't even know what this is, but it smells really good. And just imagine the different boxes that you're going to get are going to have different scents to them, or, you know, like a little hint of something new. Oh, so these are the cards, and it's pretty much wrapped like this here. And before I get into this, I just want to say this is great for me and people who are like me, because I literally, you know, I have cards or motivational cards that I pull every morning or whenever I'm feeling down, and they'll have a very beautifully written message on them that'll keep me pushing through the day. Imagine every month getting a stack of cards like this, and each one of them helping you out, guiding you through your day, making you understand that you really are a queen or king, you know what I mean? And that's another thing, it is unisex. Some men, I know a lot of y'all like taking showers, but it's good to take a bath every now and then and soak, you know? So I'm just saying, but it's black and gold, so it's not like, you know, a woman can wear this, a man can wear this. It's very unisex to me. It's not, candles are always great, sugar scrubs are always great for anyone, male or female. So I just thought that was pretty cool. And then I don't know why this would matter, but I just like cute stuff. And she had like the little grizzlies here. So that's what everything is sitting on top of. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I'm so excited to finally use this, and I will admit I have not used it yet. The sugar scrub at least, right? I've lit the candle because I love candles, but I have not used the sugar scrub yet, or the bath bomb, obviously, since it was still wrapped up. But I'm going to use it tonight. I'm going to unwind with it, and I'm just excited to try it. I'll let you guys know in the comments below how it made me feel, how good of an exfoliator it was for me. Literally, I just probably I'm going to have to hide this box from my mother and my father and my sisters and everybody else, because this is literally what we buy in the store. Like, we want this stuff, and we're like, dang, I don't want to pay that much for it. But imagine being subscribed to someone that sends you this box every month. That's exciting. That's exciting. Okay, so I'm just ready to unwind. Like, oh my gosh, guys, you have a long week too, and you just need to let go, release, have your nice scents flowing around you. But that's when I hit it right now. So, especially in this crisis with Corona, I'm trying to get as clean as possible. But anyway, I love you guys. Thank you so much for checking out my video, and I hope you guys have a great year. 2020, clear vision. They're trying to mess with us a little bit, but we're gonna be okay. Have that faith of a mustard seed. Bye.